Fashionistas, it's time to upgrade your wardrobe without breaking the bank. Here's how to get a Cider promo code quickly. Visit easycoupon.co/cider or scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Step 1. Enter your email address to have the promo code sent directly to your inbox. I'll enter mine now to demonstrate. Next, select your device, iOS or Android. I'll pick Android and click Continue. The promo code generation process will start. To verify you're human, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are secure, free, and downloaded by millions. After installation, open and use each app for about a minute. Some might ask for registration or for you to reach level 9 or 10 in a game. It's easy, and the savings are so worth it. Let's speed up this part with some music while I finish the steps. That's it! My Cider promo code just arrived and I can't wait to shop and save. Like and subscribe for more amazing deals and happy shopping.